Hi funnel builders, this is Brett with ClickFunnels. It's October 17th, 2:30 in the morning, and I wanted to bring this message to you and make sure you know there's only maybe a day left to buy this package, the yearly subscription to Funnel Builder Secrets, which includes ClickFunnels 2.0. And I'm going to show you the advantages we have here. This is for an entire year, which breaks down to $167 per month. That is a grandfathered in price. And I think this is a mistake on ClickFunnels' part because the price will remain at $167 per month, and with inflation at 8%, which is really 18 to 20%, you can imagine that $167 is going to seem smaller and smaller as years progress in the future. So with this, you'll get 3 workspaces, and that gives you 3 essential accounts for ClickFunnels. Now, that's extremely important if you're building funnels for other people, because instead of having them purchase it and you're under a timeline to make sure it's up and running while they're paying their fee, you can actually build it in your funnel area, get it perfected, and then switch it over to theirs. They'll have to pay the monthly fee, or you can just charge them a monthly fee based on your account if it's in your account. But they'll have to pay the monthly fee, which is $297 a month, which is supposed to go up to $497. Now there are some other packages that are a little bit less, but overall you're going to make 40% on that workspace that ClickFunnels is charging them and they're paying. So this gives you some time to build funnels for people and to pass it along to them and make the commissions. So 3 funnel workspaces is great. So the question really is this costing you $167 a month, or is this really free? Because with 3 of these workspaces, you'd have one for you, one for 2 customers that you could charge $200, $300, $400 for per month. That pays for the $167. So you're really getting this for free. You have to look at it that way. Now you have to pay for 12 months. You may have to get the money on a credit card, or you may have the cash to do it up front, but that's the most important thing, is you have to get it for a year. And this is going away in a very short time. Probably within the next day, maybe they'll extend it a little bit, but you really need to sign up for it. Down below there's a link for this exact page where you can go ahead and sign up, and you'll get this for your life. So as long as you keep up the payments, of course. So you also get ClickFunnels Classic, so you can bring any existing customers over into ClickFunnels 2.0, which a lot of people need that. I was on these courses. I was in the 5-day marathon they had, and there were people in the chat section saying, no, I just want to find someone. Can someone please help me? There's a lot of people looking for funnel builders out there, and this is very advantageous for you. Now, in addition to this, you'll get the Builder Secrets course, give you a lot of information on how to build funnels. There's more information out there on the web too, YouTube and so forth. You also get this Geru Pro account. This lets you simulate a funnel, so you can go through and show your customer with a conversion rate if they're making money, not making money, a super important selling tool for your customers. In addition, you're going to get this funnel script software, which helps you copyright or make the copy for the actual software or the pages that you're going to put up. And you get this 2 Comma Club Live. You can see the live session that people pay $2,500 to attend at least, and you'll be able to be a participant remotely, just watching it live, and gain a lot of information. That's a great bonus right there. There are other bonuses that are included with this, but the big point is you need to buy this at $19.97 before it goes away. And down below there's a link. Click that link. If you can't, just copy and paste it. I'll bring you over to this page. Just click on yes, I want the funnel secrets, and you will get this package. Now, I've also included the 12K bonuses from ATS, which is a company that allows you to attend their weekly webinars where they show you how to generate traffic without paying anything on Google and YouTube. It's a very great course. I've actually paid for the full package, but you don't even need the full package. You can just go and watch these webinars, and you'll get that for life too, plus a lot of other information. They have courses and challenges in that. So sign up for that. You'll see a link, and I'll put it down below, where you can just send me your receipt that you paid for this, and we'll get you hooked up to the 12K bonuses, which actually I believe includes another 1,500, which is for the emailing of people to keep them in a funnel and get them warmed up to buy your packages or other things too. So it's a very important package to get. Again, $19.97, $167 a month, but in reality, it's free if you actually get one customer. So there's no reason not to get this. If you're going to be a funnel builder, or you currently have one of the older accounts, get this new account, cancel your other one, and you'll be way ahead of the game. So please use the link down below, like this, subscribe to the channel, and also comment, because those comments help raise awareness and give this opportunity to other people, because we're here to help everyone. And as this channel grows, we'll have more information and help you along the way. So please attend and get this, and we'll be making funnels together, and you'll be way ahead of the game. Thank you. It's late at night, so I'm sorry for this convoluted message a little bit, but I want to make sure that we get this word out and you get this deal before it goes away.